Welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a healthy, light summer salad. This salad is so delicious and full of veggies, some fruit, and with a champagne vinaigrette. So what's more to say? Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to start with in making our salad is our dressing. So today we're making a champagne vinaigrette. So what I have here is just a 1/4 cup of champagne vinegar that I'm going to pour into my cup. And then I also have 1 heaping tablespoon of honey. If you like your salad dressing sweeter, feel free to use 2 tablespoons, but I feel like 1 is just the right amount. And then I have 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, as well as 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Today I'm using 4, and I just pressed them and made sure they were nice and small. And then I also have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and then an 1/8 teaspoon of red chili flakes. You can add more if you want it to be spicy, or you can omit this ingredient if you do not like spice. So now I'm just going to whisk this together. And then the next thing I'm going to add is the juice of just half a lemon. So while I'm adding my 1/3 cup of olive oil, I'm going to keep stirring to make sure everything's getting combined. And here we have our champagne vinaigrette. It smells delicious and it's so light and it's just amazing. This is one of my favorite salad dressings. I put it on almost everything now. Okay, moving on to our salad. So for the greens of our salad, today I have 3 cups of arugula and then 3 cups of baby kale. This salad usually feeds about 3 to 4 people, so you're not making this for one person. If you are, you can cut this recipe down quite a bit. And then to our greens, I've just washed them and I've now dried them. And then I also have pine nuts, which I just sauteed on the stovetop for about 5 minutes until they got nice and fragrant and have that golden brown color. And I'm just going to sprinkle this throughout my salad. And then since it's summer, there's nothing better than having some fruit in your salad. So today I have about 1/2 cup of fresh blackberries I'm just going to put in. You could also use raspberries as well, or really any fruit. And then I also have about a nice big handful of cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes, so I'm always adding these in. And then I also finely chopped up about 1/2 of a red onion, and then I also chopped up about 1 avocado. You can add 1 to 2 avocados depending on how much you're craving that day. I have some garden fluff in my veggies. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to be adding to my salad is my Parmesan, and I have about 4 ounces of grated Parmesan today. And if you're really into Parmesan, you can also add some more on top at the end with like some black pepper, but that one's up to you. Give it one final mix. This is actually going to be my family's dinner tonight, but I'm just going to make myself a little side bowl for lunch so I don't have to pour dressing over the whole thing. Ooh, gotta get some berries. Oof, it smells delicious, looks so good. I'm gonna just give my dressing one more stir. Alright, here we have our beautiful finished salad. And the best part, getting to taste it. So good. So refreshing. Lots of chewing. The dressing is so light. The Parmesan adds that little cheesiness and the salt in. Ooh, it's incredible. I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go back to eating now.